Ladies, today I'm going to introduce you the perfect flat with the comfort of a sneaker. It is a flat shoes, but comfort of a sneaker, comfort of a runner. That's how comfortable these shoes are. The shoes in this box is made to end all your foot pain, your neuropathy, a hammer toe, bunion. Select all of them if you want. So
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. This is where I share a little bit of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today we're gonna talk about a specific shoes. Last week it was a spring essential where you need to have a perfect spring wardrobe, and one of the main items that I mentioned was to have a ballet flat. That you need a flat for spring because there will be a lot of errands that you're gonna be running, so you need the perfect shoes for know me when it comes to shoes. So when Empress reached out to me to try one of the shoes, I definitely gotta say yes. Now let me introduce you to the perfect flat that you can have for spring, and it is called Empress shoes. Here is an Empress shoe. This is how it come like, but y'all know most shoes are not comfortable. They give you the style but the comfort isn't. So Empress has come up with the best comfortable shoes for us ladies. This is how it comes. We have a flower, a purple flower. That's pretty. I like it. They are wrapped separately. You have an extra egg support that you have in there for free. I guess we have a grocery bag as well. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Square toe. Leather, of course. I picked mine in size 41. We have adjustable strap right here. So you have this that is removable if you have foot pain. So I would recommend that you remove this one and install the thicker one, which is the extra support one. And once, let me tell you a secret, once you put this in, it supports your act as if you were in sneaker. That is a square toe actually that make it very comfortable, and it does adjust to your toes. It gives them enough room to breathe and they're not squishing themselves, and it is very comfortable. Plus the extra support that you have. Oh my god, with these shoes you can run on it, you can jump with it, you can fly if you wish. But these are all day long shoes and they are very comfortable just for you to be able to go about your errands. It's nearly a sneaker, a comfortable sneaker that you have in, but as a flat. These shoes are like pretty much easy for you to style with anything. Either is a work wear, casual wear, a skirt, a pant, even a jean. And it's gonna be the trend for spring, so I try wearing it then and just to see what it look like, and nailed it. Here's your discount code for $10 off. I'm gonna leave every single details in the description box for you guys, and please ladies, don't forget to check it out, because if there is one item that you must invest in for this spring, for your spring intentions, it is Empress shoes. Thank you very much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave your comment below, like, comment, share, forward it to your friend. And next week we're gonna be talking about more spring coming, what we're wearing, and how we're wearing them. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next Saturday.